Namaste. Today we will analyze a palm of a 35-year-old male. Actually, I've given him some predictions before. I told him that you'll go abroad and you might get a job, probably an assignment, maybe not abroad, maybe far away from his home, from his residence, current residence. But I told him that lekin, that means this will be only for 2 years. That means you will not get more than 2 years of this assignment. You will earn for 2 years. There are problems, a lot of problems in your life until 39.5. Uske baad, meaning after that your life will be okay to some extent, and then again there will be big problems, and then later in life the growth will be there, life will become smooth, etc., etc. Now which age and everything we will see for while I'm doing palm analysis. Two things: this picture is really really clear for a change. I can see these rekha very clearly, though there are shadow here, but it's okay. I mean, at least he could give this quality, which is what I really like. I don't want to strain my eyes too much, so this kind of quality is really appreciated. And coming to the point, here this palm shows a bhagya rekha which starts from the moon and one second, starts from the moon. Okay, it comes here. There is a acute angle because of the shukra rekha, branch of a shukra rekha or aspect rekha or drishti from shukra. There is a cone which is very good, all right. But this rekha which was trying to kind of accelerate after this cone was formed, you can see that it has dissipated. You can see the condition of the rekha here. It has gone from some, so you can see from bad to worse. You can see this round, this circular things here, and you can see these things joining here. So it has gone from bad to worse. Okay, so that means one part of the life for, let's say, 4 5 years is good, and then again there is a downfall, and then there is again a pickup, and this pickup is really good, though there is an obstacle. You understand? This is how it is done. This is how the prediction is done. Now what does that mean? That means, look, this area, this bhagya rekha is very good, so that means that is promising some kind of growth, no doubt, no doubt. So it is a help, it's helping the person. But the other part of the bhagya rekha is not good in this part. Okay, secondly, there are defects in shukra rekha. Now this age is 33 plus, so it will be between 33 and 33.5. Okay, when I say plus, because sometimes while I do the measurement, I also make some mistakes, so I can go, kind of accuracy can be around plus or minus 0.5 years, which is 6 months. Okay, that is possible because the palm size is not exactly as it is in the picture, so I can always make some errors. Having said that, this 33 to 33.5 actually resembles what he has said, this urdhva rekha, 33 plus. Abhi job nahi hai. It means that he's lost his job 1.5 years ago. It matches, to be honest. So this rekha, which was the urdhva rekha, has stopped here. Once it stops, it will certainly, you can say, stop the flow of dravya means liquid cash or some kind of prosperity or some kind of support. It will stop, and that is exactly what has happened, and he's been struggling ever since. Now let's go one more step further. If you see that, I put this on my Facebook page also, but I'll just explain to you what I meant there actually was that, see here, this particular bhagya rekha has this particular bhagya rekha has not touched the kuja rekha. Okay, it has not, please note, it has not touched the kuja rekha. But from the Kujarekha, you can see again, see this part and this part are not joined, they are disjoined, they are not the same. So in short, you can see that this part and this part, they actually don't have direct connection here. All right, okay, let's go again further, one more step. See this gap between them, if you calculate it, it's 2 years. It is 2 years, okay, 2 saal. Now those are the 2 years when this person is going abroad, okay, or the person might get some job, or the person might earn something, though the earning is not going to be very beneficial. Why? Let us see. You can see this here, okay. Whenever there is a problem on the paternal side, or if there is anything, I don't know whether you've seen my older videos, I've mentioned that as well. So this island here actually shows problems, okay, problems related to, you know what, I don't have to tell you, right? So this you have already seen in my older video, in the previous videos. So and he has confirmed it, therefore we don't have to go much deeper into it. Now coming to this particular palm, this 2 years is actually the time when he will be going abroad, and then he will have to come back. He'll have to come back. Now again, let me come back to this Bhagya Rekha which I was mentioning. Look at this. This is a very good sign if you look at it, if you visualize it from this side. When you visualize it from this side, it is bad. So as you know, even in the Hindu palmistry, we always look at this, and we also calculate it from here. So as that is the convention. So when you do the age calculation, you look at the lifeline from this side as well as from this side, and the same thing is applied on the Bhagyarekha too. Okay, so you have to look at the analysis in many different ways. Don't look at it in the linear way where you go straight. Everything in life is not straight. Okay, so there are a lot of things which you have to kind of look from various angles. So I'm looking from this side, you also have to look from this side, you also have to look from this side, and then there is this eighth house that also has to be looked upon, so there are a lot of things that you have to see. So here we are looking at why then there will be prosperity after 52. That is what I'm coming to, by the way. So that is shown by this particular point where the urdhva rekha, the second urdhva rekha is starting. This second urdhva rekha is going to promise something very good when you see it from this side, not from this side. Okay, so when you see it from this side, the age 52 comes into focus, because you see this particular cone, when I see from here, is an extremely good mouth. It's a Vishnu rekha or Tirumal rekha, but not, no, not just this part. You see it is getting a connection from here, that this is a Buddha rekha. Okay, and it is not stopped by the Kuja rekha. That means its flow is unabated, and it goes, finally it reaches the Surya Parvat. Extremely good. All right, even though it reaches the Surya Parvat, there is always some obstruction. Everybody faces it in his or her life. So here too you can see this obstruction is seen, though it is very thin. You can see this when I zoom in. This rekha, have you seen? These are Nadika rekhas. Whenever there is another Nadika rekha that crosses it this way, it will give you Bada. It is going to give you Bada. Even if this line is very strong, it will still give you a Bada. This line has got a connection which makes a triangle. You can see that. Luckily, this connection is getting joined to the heart line. Now, if this connection was standalone, without any circuit being completed here, as we do in electronics, without any circuit being completed, electrical or electronics, then his loan problem will keep on increasing. Okay, he will continuously have problems with loan, because this gives balam to the kuja. This gives lot of strength to the kuja, and this Mercury, as you know, in Nadi also links to legal issues. So I hope you understand when there is interaction between these two, especially when they form a triangle. And this triangle, generally, this triangle is good here, this place, but here this triangle in this shape without having a connection towards this area shows problems as far as escalation in loan or some kind of dispute is concerned. Okay, so now coming to the point here, at age 52, because of this connection, the person's life is going to be good. That's about it. Okay, there are other good lines in this palm. You can see this Bhagyarekha is very good. The person, this native, is intelligent, no doubt. He's intelligent and he will excel in areas where knowledge, trading, or interaction with foreigners, or maybe anything related to education also. Though let me see, though education, see the education line, you have to look at the Kujarekhas. Sorry, I don't, I mean, education, here see the Kujareka is thickening. Well, not really, but not really into education, but yes, he will be into some kind of trading or some foreign, or he will be smart. In short, let's go about it this way. He'll be smart, but not academically smart. Okay, so I'm not able to express myself here, but not academically smart, but he'll be kind of street smart or something like that. Academic smartness is not seen here. Okay, so in short, this is what I wanted to convey in this particular analysis. As you can see, there are Ripu Rekha signs here, and this Ripu Rekha also is climbing up. I hope you understand what is that Ripu Rekha, those who have learnt astrology, right? So Ripusthanam, there is the Ripu Rekha links to Ripu Sthanam, but this is 8th house. Make sure you know the difference. Okay, this is not astrology, this is astro palmistry. So that difference needs to be seen as always. So here there are mixed signs, though he will come out of it, but with lot of obstacles, because here the Mercury is little bit kind of subdued. In a way it is good, in a way it is good, to be honest, because if a Mercury is too elevated, then it gives too much inclination towards doing getting profits, or coming always in the limelight and stuff like that. Here at least he wants to become famous, but I don't think so, because this particular thing is not good for fame. All right, and Surya Parvat also has got a hump here. You can see that, so that also is not good. Overall, palm is good, but there are issues until the age of 52. So from 33 plus until 36, just before 36, problems. 36, he's going to go for 2 years, he's going to get some good money, but then eventually again there will be a downfall. Okay, until 39.5, and then some good time for few years, and then again bad time starts until 52. Okay, from 52 he starts climbing. So this is about it. Thank you.